Yes, so for the purpose of this very video is to actually create a program that ensures that when variables are actually being declared and we assign values to them, we check which value is actually the highest one. So we are going to ensure that. So we declare a variable and we are going to use floats for that. So float number 1, we're going to use float. So float number 1, number 2, number 3. So this is what we are going to do. You can declare variables like this, or you can declare that float number 1, you terminate to go to the next line. So you can do it that way. Yeah, so we are going to do it this way. So float number 1, number 2, number 3. So and we see out that's the message. So enter first number, enter first number, scene number 1, enter second number, scene number 2, enter third number. Yeah, we end the line, we see in, or we console in num3. Yeah, so right now we are actually done. Yeah, so when we enter all the numbers, you're basically going to see the results. That's, yeah. So right now when we run the program, we enter values. So now all the values being entered are actually stored in the various variables being assigned. Just that we are not going to see anything in here. They are actually stored in memory, so you won't see it here. This is what is so right now we are done with that, and we are going to check. This is where we are going to use if statement to check. So if statement, we are going to check whether if number 1, so if number 1, the number 1 entered is greater than number 2, and number 1 greater than number 3, then what are you going to do? You are going to see out highest number is number 1. So if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than 3, then highest number is number 1. Then we go to else if so else if num2 is greater than, so we are checking for num2. If num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3, then you see out highest number is num2. And we terminate, and we're going to check that's else if num3. We're going to check for num3. So else if num3 is greater than num1, and num3 greater than num2. You are going to say highest number is highest number is So else if num3 is greater than num1 and num3 is greater than num2, you're going to the highest number is else will be the last else. So after checking everything, then the last one will be there. Maybe after checking everything and all of them don't pass, then definitely they are all the same. Numbers are all numbers are the same. Definitely all numbers are the same. So after that, we check our line of code if everything is all right. We enter first number, second, third. So we check if num1 and num2 and num1 is greater than num3. We're checking for num1. Yeah, num2 is greater than num1 and num2 greater than num3. Okay, so let's run the program and see if everything is fine. So num3 greater than num1 and num3 greater than num2. Yes, number is num3. So yeah, we've checked for num1, num2 and num3, and let's run the program and see if there is many things that we need to fix. So we need to ensure that everything is actually working fine. Invalid operands on type float and floating binary operator. Okay, so I made a mistake here. Yeah, it was 2, so I'm sure. Yeah, so we are entering first number is 10, our second number is 5, and our third number is going to be 20, and highest number is 20. Wow. Okay, so let's ensure now our highest number was actually the third number, so let's make sure our highest number is actually the first one and see this a way of debugging your code. So the highest number is going to be 50 first, we have 30, we have 20, so highest number is 50. Wow, it works. So let's check for the second one. We did the third one, so let's check for the second one. So 100, 20. Oh, okay, so highest number is 100. Now since everything is done, we are actually set, the program is working fine. Yeah, everything is working fine. Let's check for the last one if all the numbers are the same. 3. Wow, all numbers are the same. So this is actually a program to check the highest number, and also if all the numbers are the same, it will actually let you know that all the numbers are actually the same. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I will urge you to subscribe to this very channel. Yeah, CJ Tech. Thank you very much once again.